In this video, I will show you how to create a link to a specific cell in another Excel sheet like this using two methods. So let's get started. Here I have a workbook containing 3 Excel sheets. What I want to do is to create a link to each sheet in my main sheet here. Not only that, I want to link to a specific cell within the specific sheet so that I can directly go to that cell by clicking the links. That will save me a lot of time and scrolling efforts, particularly if the sheets have lots of data in them. The first method to do that is by using the Insert Hyperlink dialog box. Right-click the target cell and select the link option from the menu. Now select the Place in this document option from the left panel. Select the sheet and type the cell number you want to create a link to. Type the display text for the link in the text box. Click the OK button to close the dialog box. As you can see, we now have a direct link to that specific cell of the specific sheet. The second method to create a link to a specific cell of another sheet is a shortcut than the first method. Go to the cell of the target sheet for which you want to create a link. For example, I want to create a link to this cell. Now move your mouse to the edge of the cell until you see this cursor. Press the right mouse button and hold it. Now press the Alt key and hold it. Move the mouse to the first sheet while holding the right mouse button and Alt keys. As you can see, the cell outline is moving along with the mouse. Place the mouse cursor above the first sheet to open that sheet. Go to the cell where you want to create a link for that cell and then release the Alt key first. Now release the right mouse button to open up the menu. Select the Create Hyperlink here option to create the link. As you can see, a link is created for that specific cell of that specific sheet here. In case you want to modify the target sheet or cell reference later on, right-click on the cell and select the Edit Hyperlink option. Using this Edit Hyperlink dialog box, we can change the sheet the link refers to, the cell reference number, and the display text for the link. Watch this video to learn how to link any file or folder to an Excel cell very easily. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.